Hello everyone, welcome back to Meghanasgallery. This is size 4 brush, round brush. These are water paints again. These are the loose flowers that I'm planning to paint today. I'm going to dilute my paint as much as possible. I'm going to press and then lift. I'm going to just move around, give it that look, and then move on to the next petal. I'm not touching the base part again because I wanted it to be to the light color and the most of the pigment to be to the edges. So I'm going to pull it and lift it over there. See, just touching over there gives it that look. It's a very loose ones. I like the crumbly look of the petal at the edges. So I'm going to touch, press and then pull. Touch, press and pull. We can try the same with the wider brush as well. I generally do with size 8 as well. Just to show here, I'm going to show you how fine it could be, how detailed it can come with the finest brush. So I'm using 4 here, but 8 would work really well as well. It looks a bit small, so let's adjust that one. Load your brush with more of water rather than with pigment to give that diluted look, like really very thin pigment of paint that really gives a rich look for your flower. So I'm going to keep adding more and more water, or if I want any kind of pigment anywhere, then I'm going to go touch my paint and then keep adding that strings and then the color. If you see, this petal is a bit more stronger, but it goes very well with the rest of the ones. We're gonna do another one a bit faster this time. Let's see how it works. I'm looking at something a bit bigger in size. So, more paint, more water. The more lighter it is, the more prettier it looks. So I'm gonna size up here. There you go. And then just keep adding water, just a little bit of paint. Happy painting. Wherever you want, keep adding the pigment. And let's look how we do leaves now. I'm going some light brown for the center part. You can literally choose your colors. I can be variant. Yeah, purple goes very well as well. A tinge of yellow, completely yellow goes very well as well. Or a blob of red goes very well as well. So I'm just taking some brown just to go with the flower. I'm gonna paint some leaves as well with the same one. So I'm letting it blend through the actual flower, so it will look as if it emerged from the flower to the center. We're gonna touch and lift. The same system that we worked for the flower, we're gonna use the same for the leaves as well. There's an intentional gap. If you see that is on purpose actually. It looks really good if you leave a couple of gaps in your leaves. to add more leaves here and there, and then we're going to use the same strategy, just pull, press, and then lift up. Size 8 for this. As I mentioned, the wider flower with the bigger brush is much more comfortable. That's it. I just wanted something light because both of them looks very dark, so keep adjusting. You can always keep adjusting. The only thing is, when using watercolors, be very careful with the amount of pigment you use at the beginning itself, just to make sure it's not too much on the paper, and once it touches it, it's a bit hard to amend on the paper. If it is too much, just use the tissue to blow up the extra water. Don't be scared about using extra water, because that will really give you the light look. But again, if it is too much, just pick your regular tissue and then touch it wherever if you think that it's running. Paper might be crumbled there. It changes its shape and everything. Once you're done with painting and once everything is dried out, you can reverse the paper, put a nice light thick cotton cloth or something like that on it, and then give it a light iron, and you will get back to your original paper, but your paint will still be there, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna add a blob of flowers here. Maybe I'll make it look like a bunch or something, and then I'm gonna add my center parts again, and then a couple of more leaves here and there, and make your own bunches. Try with different colors. It doesn't have to be a single flower, a single color. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this. If you do, please give a thumbs up and do share to your friends, and also subscribe to Meghanasgallery. See you next time. Bye.